Creepanonas, welcome back to the channel. I'm Felicia and I'm the Crafty Black Girl. So you guys, today we are going to do some plus size pink inspired outfits. I'm actually just doing these outfits for our vacation. Me and my daughter are dressing alike, and of course pink does not sell plus size clothing. So this was what I did. I went ahead on Google and looked up the pink logo PNG, and I pulled up something that already had a clear background, but if you're using Canva or whatever, you can take the background out with that. So I'm replacing my project that I was working on before, and I went ahead and cleaned up the background and saved it as a cut image in the Cricut design space. And I just went ahead and saved it. And you guys, disclaimer, I am not selling these are not for sale by any means. This was just our outfit for the theme park so that we were dressed alike. So I went ahead and duplicated that pink logo multiple times, 2 times for our shirts, 2 times for our shorts, and then 2 times for our little I think it's like a little pouch, coin pouch. Yeah, I think I got that vinyl from Michael's, and I cut it right in half. That should be enough for, it's 12 by 12 for our first part, which was the top. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and put it on my mat so that I can get ready to cut. And then I went ahead and inserted it into my Cricut, and now it is cutting, you guys. So this is what it looks like, cutting out everything. Didn't take long. And now I'm gonna go ahead and just prep the shirt while that is cutting out, and I'm prepping the shorts as well. So now that it is finished cutting, I'm just going ahead and cutting the pieces and cutting off the excess. That's the excess vinyl that did not have words, and now I'm just gonna weed it out. If you don't know what weeding is, you just take the sharp little tool and you remove all of the excess vinyl that is not going to go on your project. And this takes a few minutes. Sometimes it takes longer if you have smaller cuts and if you have multiple cuts, but because mine didn't have like small cuts or anything super, hard to do, it didn't take long. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and cut the pieces apart so that I can place them on each shirt and each pair of shorts. So one of them I forgot to turn the mirror on, so I actually messed it up, and you'll see that I cannot use it. But this little leftover vinyl I decided to make stripes with. So I went ahead and cut it the length of the words, which was 9 inches across the top of our shirt, and then I split it in half again. And this is where I'll be able to make double lines underneath, or one above and one under. So now this is how I'm going to place it. I'm going to use my yardstick, and I'm actually going to roll it down a couple times, and this is how I'm going to place my words on my shirt so that they are straight. And then that paper on the back is actually sticky, so once you stick it down before you pull out the iron or use your heat press, it's going to be stuck there so that you can kind of keep it in place. So now I'm going to place the little stripes underneath the word pink, and I'm going to go ahead and iron on that. This is something that you can do for like 30 seconds or so. I just moved mine around. I cannot wait to get my heat press, you guys. I'm literally not sure if I want to get the easy press or the heat press because I don't have a lot of room. So you guys, as you can see, this is the one that I messed up. So it should have been mirror on, so this on the shiny side, but it's actually on the other side. So that one I had to use the tiny decal for that, and that was the one that was supposed to go on our pouch, but it works out still. So now I'm just going ahead and removing all of the extra paper from the top. That's the transfer paper that I'm removing, and this is what they look like. They came out really, really good, really, really cute, and I super loved it. And this is me wearing mine. My daughter didn't want to show you guys hers, but this is the finished look, you guys. If you like to, give it a thumbs up, and until next time, stay crafty.